Every Go beginner trips on this, forgetting to close a file after reading it. To read a file in Go, you start with os.Open. Pass it the file path as a string, and it returns two values, a *os.file, your file handle for all future operations, and an error. That error check is critical. If the path is wrong or permissions are missing, you will find out immediately before touching any data. Once you have the handle, the read method reads bytes into a slice you provide. It returns the number of bytes read in any error. When the file ends, you will get an io.eof. For a simpler approach, os.ReadFile skips the handle entirely. You just pass a path and get back all the file's bytes at once. The rule is simple. Right after checking the open error, add defer file.Close. Defer guarantees the file closes when your function exits, even on error, preventing resource leaks. It's idiomatic Go. When you need more control, io.readAll works on any reader and returns all bytes, and bufio.scanner gives you a line-by-line loop, ideal for large files you cannot load all at once. Open with os.Open, defer close right after, then read with read or os.ReadFile. That's idiomatic Go file handling. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.